Good day to my future employer. Hi, my name is Michelle Sorchel. I am 34 years old, married with 3 children. I am a high school graduate in Binyan Secondary School of Applied Academics in the Philippines. My working experience was in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper or a nanny for 6 years. I served 8 members of the family, including the couple and their 6 children, ages 4, 11, 12, 16, 18, and 21. My main duty is to prioritize their health and safety, prepare for them nutritious food during breakfast, lunch, and dinner, assisting them to their homework and project for the school, preparing their clothes individually when they are going to school, and also I do indoors and outdoors activity for them and playing with them. While the kids are in the school, I do also household chores such as ironing clothes, washing dishes, cleaning the house, cleaning the rooms, and sometimes I do also gardening. Please, Mom and Sir, consider my application. As a promise, I will be flexible, hardworking, trustworthy, respectful, loyal, and I will love your children as my own. Thank you very much, Mom and Sir, and have a great day.